I am at 124 Dorsey Lane, and I hope you have seen the video that I shared because this home is for sale in a golf cart friendly community. Literally, you can ride your golf cart through town. You don't even need a reason to go to the golf course. You could just have a reason to go to the bank or go have lunch. So anyway, I'm going to share with you all the things really quick because there's one thing that I did not share in my other video about this house. So I'm going to share that now, and then I want you to go back and watch that video. If you are not in the market to buy a house right now, I'm sure you know somebody who is. So I would love it if you could go and share that video. Let's get as many eyes on it and put somebody in this home for the holidays. Okay, so turned it around. You walk in, you have a beautiful living room with real hardwood floors. You have an electric fireplace. If the weather is wet or rainy, please wear your booties. Yeah, let's put the hand sanitizer over here into the kitchen next to the little goodies. So when you come here with your real estate agent, you will find this great kitchen, so much space, the plantation shutters, and then you have 2 bedrooms, huge. This bedroom is huge. Like, it's hard to always see how big a bedroom is, you know, in a video, but it's big. This is like a great starter home or empty nester home. This is even bigger, and it actually has a walk-in closet. So these are the bedrooms. Oh, bathroom. Okay, so bathroom. This is like a Jack and Jill bathroom. So in a way, so it has 2 doors. So here is the hall bathroom. There's the door to the other bedroom. So yay. Now we're gonna go over here. It's dark, I didn't turn anything on. All right, so we have our primary bedroom. This bedroom is huge. Has a walk-in closet right over here. All right, and then here's your ensuite. You have a stand-up shower. It's really nice. It's one of the newer upgrades that the current owner has done. All right, got our little linen area. Guess what? You have another little door. Goes right into your laundry room. This laundry room has a place. This could be a small deep freezer because that's the electrical panel, so you want to make sure it's below that. Then you have a broom closet, which is fantastic. Yes. All right, so like I was showing you, ran into this is the laundry room, okay? But look, there's the ensuite, and it takes you into the master. So this is really convenient right here. What? And then there's the entrance to the back. Right out here, so you have some side steps. Whoops, okay, we're gonna go here. So this is actually a hallway, okay? Take you into the kitchen. You have a pantry. Who doesn't love a pantry? Everybody wants a pantry. This is literally one of the #1 requests I get all the time. I need a house with a pantry. I got you, boo, right here. Future coffee bar, hot cocoa bar, whatever, right there. Now, for the awesomeness that I forgot to share with you in the other video, please be sure to go watch the other video because I think it's kind of cute. All right, so this door is a secret passage. Are you ready? A walk-up attic. What? Yes, so we're gonna pretend we're gonna zoom right up these stairs. All right, so we have some vinyl plank flooring right as soon as you enter. You have the sheetrock. It's literally sheetrock. All right, you have a closet here. All right, can't see. Whoa, it is a little bit lighter in here. So you have a nice little closet there. All right, there's the stairs. Guess what? Oh my gosh, this could be like 2 bedrooms. All right, so this is where the flooring ends, but this is all plywood. Like literally, how cool is this? This could be so much. You could put a pool table up here. You could make this a guest bedroom. I'm sure with some savvy people, you could put a bathroom up here. You have storage here, here. So there you have it. This is the part that I didn't show you in the video. To be honest, I'm not sure why I left that out of the video. I guess I wasn't thinking. I was so excited because I was driving a golf cart around town to get over here to the house. So yes, we are in Bowling Green. We are literally less than a mile than all the main attractions. So, you know, we have like a lounge bar, music venue, the corner store, the Mexican restaurant, Sundry, which is a fantastic little thrifting boutique that you must check out. Let's see, so much. There's a flower shop, there's a plant shop, there's the ice cream, the mix house. I mean, literally, it goes on and on. And in the summertime, so you have music on the green. If you don't have a golf cart, it's okay. Like totally okay, because you are walking distance to everything. The bank, the post office, whatever. But anyway, this space has so much potential. Somebody come buy this house. All right, so I figured this was easier to show you. So you have a nice patio. This leads to the laundry room kitchen area that I was showing you about. So you have this brick. Of course, you have this composite railing here, so that's easy maintenance. You put a table right here and enjoy. A little carport. This looks perfect to put a tire swing. Oh my God. This is your backyard. It's huge. There's a rain barrel. You have the crawl space. You have your neighbors over here. You can easily put a fence up if you wanted to, but basically where you see that tree stump, just on the other side of the tree stump is the property line. You have all this. You have a shed. Yeah, so there's some fantastic stuff going on here. Who does not want to live in this adorable little town where you can drive a golf cart around or just walk if you want to? All right, peace.